Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to create a poll on Skype. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it: so open your Skype app and open the individual group or chat where you want to create a poll, and tap on this plus icon to the bottom left corner and tap on create poll and enter here your poll question. And you can allow selecting multiple options by checking this option. Also you can disable this by deselect this option. So I'm going to selecting this option and enter here your poll options. And to add more option, tap on this add option and then tap on create poll. So that's how you can create a poll on Skype. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.